In class, the teacher said it is essential of valid contract. So, what is a valid contract? According to Section 2H of Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement enforceable by law is a contract. A valid contract is enforceable by law, and if a contract is not valid, it may lead to obstructions of business and unlawful and insensate essential of valid contract. Section 10 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 provides that all agreement or contract, if they are made by free consent of the parties competent to contract for a lawful consideration with a lawful object and are not hereby expressly declared to be void. To be unenforceable by law, an agreement must possess some essentials of a valid contract, which are stated in Section 10, which are as follows. First, offer and acceptance. Second, legal relationship. Third, lawful consideration. Fourth, capacity of parties. Fifth, free consent. Sixth, lawful object. Seven, writing and registration. Eight, certainty. Nine, possibility of performance. 10. Not expressly declared void. An agreement become enforceable by law when it fulfills essential conditions. These conditions may be called the essential of valid contract as first, offer and acceptance. For an agreement, there must be a lawful offer by one and lawful acceptance of that offer from the other party. The term lawful means that the offer and acceptance must satisfy the requirement of Contract Act. The offer must be made with the intention of creating legal relations, otherwise there will be no agreement. Legal relationship. The party to an agreement must create legal relationship. It arises when party know that if one for the failure of a contract agreement of a social or domestic nature do not create legal relations and as such cannot give rise to a contract. It is presumed in commercial agreement that party intend to create legal relations. Lawful consideration. The third essential of a valid contract is the presence of the consideration. Consideration is something in return. It may be some beneficial to the party. Consideration has been defined as a price paid by one party for the promise of the other. An agreement is enforceable when both the party get something and give something. The something given or obtained is the price of the promise and is called consideration. Fourth, capacity of party. An agreement is enforceable only if it is entered into by a party who possesses contractual capacity. It means that a party to an agreement must be competent to contract. According to Section 11, in order to competent to the contract, the party must be attain the age of majority and of sound mind and must not be disqualified from contracting by any law to which they are subject. A contract by a person of unsound mind is void ab initio. If one of the parties to the agreement suffer from minority, madness, drunkenness, the agreement is not enforceable at law, except in some cases. Free consent. It is another essential of valid contract. Consent means that the party must agree upon the same thing in the same sense. For a valid contract, it is necessary that the consent of a party to the contract must be free. Lawful object. It is also necessary that the agreement should be made for a lawful object. The object for which an agreement has been entered into must not be fraudulent, illegal, immemorial, or opposed to public policy, or must not imply injury to the person or property of another. Every agreement of which the object or consideration unlawful is illegal and therefore void. Writing and registration. According to contract, a contract may be oral or in writing, although in practice it is always in the interest of the party that the contract should be made in writing so that it may be convenient to prove in the court. However, verbal contract, if proved in the court, will not be considered invalid merely on the ground that it is not in writing. It is essential for the validity of a contract that it must be in writing, signed, and attested by the witness and registered if so required by the law. Certainty. According to Section 29 of the Contract Act, agreement the meaning of which are not certain or capable of being certain are void. In order to give rise to a valid contract, the term of agreement must not be vague or uncertain for a valid contract. The terms and conditions of an agreement must be clear and certain. Possibility of performance. The validity contract must be capable of performance. Section 56 lay down that an agreement to do an act impossible in itself is void. If the act is legally or physically impossible to perform, the agreement cannot be enforced at law. Not expressly declared void. An agreement must not be one of those which have been expressly declared to be void by the Act. Section 24 to 30 explain certain types of agreement which have been expressly declared to be void. An agreement in restraint of trade and agreement by way of wager have been expressly declared by void. Thank you.